Let's go to a show. Let's have a look around, see if there's anything you like. Take your time. Remember though, buying at a fair or a show, you may never see the dealer or collector again, and if you look at the item in the cold light of day, it turns out to be wrong. Unfortunately, you've lost your money. Whereas if you go to the show, you find a dealer who's got a card, he's got a website and does mail order. It's always best to contact this kind of person because you have the mail order protection scheme. You can buy an item, they send it by post, you have a few days to look at it, normally about 7 to 14. And if you don't like it, you've shown it around, you can send it back for a full refund. This is worth considering.